Welcome back to CryptoWealthy channel, guys. In Monday's episode with a cup of coffee, as and always, actually jar of coffee, we have some bearishness over here, or is it, in the market today? And we're going to cover, especially if you are new in cryptocurrency space, I'm going to try to simplify this on the best way possible so you can understand why are we falling, what is happening right now, are we going to crash, are we going to continue the bull market, what will happen next, and why we have such a big red candle over here. We're going to cover those questions so you, especially if you're new, can understand what is going on. Cryptocurrency market is a lot of volatile, and if you're new, you need to check out this video. And now let's begin. So first, as and always, we're going to check out the Bitcoin price and Bitcoin chart over here. The thing that you need to understand, ladies and gentlemen, is that we are in bull market. If we zoom out on the weekly chart, you can see that the Bitcoin was climbing on the 20 exponential moving average all the time over here. This moving average helped Bitcoin to show him the way and path towards the heaven, towards the moon, ladies and gentlemen. And as you can see, weekly chart, weekly moving average is still intact over here. In fact, it's way too far away from the Bitcoin price. If we switch on the daily chart, you can see that this is even better metric. Bitcoin price was respecting this 20 exponential moving average very, very good. And as you can see, the same thing is happening right now. The only difference is because the correction in the price is a little bit bigger, so most probably you are scared. If we take measurements over here, you can see that the whole candle, including the week that we went towards $47,000 approximately, you can see 18-19% correction in one day. So this is what is happening with the Bitcoin price. Usually in the bull market and in the bear market, you have the big spikes towards the upside and downside all the time in just few hours. Look at this. If you switch on the 1 hourly chart, look what is going on. What actually happened is that the bulls took a little bit rest. They got some rest, and now we are trying to recover towards the upside. That's all. I'm not going to complicate it too much because, ladies and gentlemen, if you're new over here in the cryptocurrency space and you're trying to actually endure in this crypto market, you need to calm down, take a deep breath, and look at the bigger picture. If you're in doubt, zoom out. Just click on the one daily, one weekly, or one monthly chart. Let's go in even to the one monthly, and what you can see over here is that actually nothing changed, ladies and gentlemen. Nothing changed. All we saw over here on the one daily chart is the correction. So far, I think it's the biggest one when it comes in terms of dollars over here. We lost approximately $11,000 or something if I counted good, but by the technical side, that's it. I'm not going to even complicate it much more with the indicators. Actually, this is very healthy. We came back into the bullish area over here. This is so far so good. One daily chart is showing us that we just corrected. Week managed to hit the 20 exponential moving average, and after that come back all the way to $53,000 approximately. Now, this correction could go any further. Yes, we could maybe see further down trend over here in corrective way, and after that, push to the upside because it's still way too early to determine if we are actually returning to our path immediately or we're going to wait. But most probably we are just in the correction. That's all. Now, one of the indications to know that are also the altcoins, especially the altcoins that we bought. As you can see, XRP pretty much didn't move. Actually, XRP jumped today all the way to 65 cents over here in our trade. Every single of our trade over here managed to do the same thing as the Bitcoin. The altcoins pretty much follow the correction, and some of them even copied the Bitcoin to the 20 exponential moving average. This is funny, so please do not panic. As you can see, every single one of those altcoins that I invested and we are following over here managed to retest 20 exponential moving average and just correct and bounce immediately back. This is actually what's happening with the altcoins. Now the next question is most probably over here, is the alt season over? Or those jumps that we had in DeFi, other altcoins, are they going to crash now? Well, ladies and gentlemen, again, I'm mentioning you, if you're in doubt, please just zoom out. Nothing actually happened. It's just one red candle that corrected. pushed above that body, and that's it, nothing else. Now, if you don't believe me, let's switch to the Bitcoin trends. I need to mention something very quickly, especially if you're new. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and listen what I have to say over here. I'm going to try to put this in very short video over here. In 2017, on Google Trends, Google search term Bitcoin over here mooned to 100 search over here, as you can see, 100% in 2017 December. And right now, when Bitcoin actually went towards 50 and 67 over here, crashed and came back again to approximately 56 right now. So we are right now on 56% level of Google search term Bitcoin, while in 2017 we were on 100. So why is that? Bitcoin is not rallying because whole world is buying Bitcoin. It's rallying because of institutional investors. Do you really think the Bitcoin is going to crash below 50, 40, $30,000 just like that and stay there or to the zero, where actually MicroStrategy invested $2 billion in Bitcoin? You really think that the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency space is going to crash when many institutional investors actually right now are trying to come into the space? Do you really think that the whole cryptocurrency space will crash after Tesla came into the Bitcoin with $1.5 billion? Do you really think that will happen? Actually, no. And this is one of the reasons why we are not seeing further spike into the Bitcoin search term. This search term is considering actually retail investors, you, me, and other people that want to buy Bitcoin. This is very, very bullish sign. Why is this bullish sign? Well, ladies and gentlemen, we haven't even started with the altcoin season and with the Bitcoin season pump from the dumb money, from the side of the dumb money, right? If you're over here at this very moment or got into the space much earlier, congratulations. Keep holding and you will see what will happen once this search term starts hitting the road towards 100%. So that's pretty much it. You don't need any more clues to know this. Google search terms are based on pretty much dumb money. Dumb money is still not completely coming into the space, especially not into the cryptocurrency space as a whole and the altcoins. So this is one of the reasons why I do believe that first the Bitcoin will most probably surge further, reach some top, then it will top out, starts retracing, of course, and after that we're going to see alt season, or maybe alt season will just follow Bitcoin. It doesn't matter. It's matter that everything that we are expecting is slowly coming to a place. If you check out some of the altcoins, ladies and gentlemen, as we did over here, you can see that they are on pretty good spot over here. Some of them rallied 1,000, 2, 3, 5,000%. Some of them rallied 500. Some of them didn't even start yet, and they were even in top 50 in the 2017. So that's pretty much it, ladies and gentlemen. Do not panic, just watch how the Bitcoin is reclaiming its own levels and continuing rally to the upside. This is very, very positive and good thing. Now, I think this is it for today. I'm not going to rumble too much. This is the technicality and a little bit fundamental side that will calm you down if you're new over here. I want to thank each last one of you for watching our videos. Until the next episode, happy trading and goodbye.